This is one way that I've found to have your bad guy who's chasing bounce off of walls. And this is the code I wrote for the bad guy. So basically what's happening here is I set rotation style to left-right so that the cat, who's the bad guy, will only point left and right. It helps with the wall interactions. And now forever, point towards the ball. The ball is the main character here. And then if you're not touching the wall, move 2 steps. So now if the cat's not touching the wall, he's chasing the ball by taking 2-step segments. But if the cat is touching the wall, or the cat is touching the wall now, I'm going to move backwards 3 steps. So basically hit the wall, go back 3 steps. And now these next 4 if brackets section the screen into quadrants. So I have this lower left quadrant, this upper left quadrant, upper right quadrant, and lower right quadrant. So I'm locating the ball based on quadrants. So in this one I'm saying if the ball is in the lower left quadrant, I'm telling the cat now to pick a point somewhere picking towards that lower left quadrant between 180 and 270 and move 2 steps in that direction. If he's in the upper right quadrant, move towards the upper right. Upper left. Same thing for upper right and lower right. Now, if the cat is following, based on the location of the ball, the cat will move towards that quadrant. This isn't the most elegant solution. I'm certain there are better ways to do it, but at least with this code, the cat will move kind of in the direction of the main character, even if it's not quite perfect.